team ang maging 6th grand winner.
Alam mo, tama ka dyan, Dave. At sigurado akong mas may inspire pa sila dahil makakasama season 5 grand winner, Pinas Got Talent.
Yan, pag-wait na yan. Yan.